Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well and welcome to my channel Medcoms 101. Are you also someone who struggles a lot while doing references for their manuscripts? Well, I was once there too. I used to spend a lot of my time in front of a computer screen just to add those in-text citations and then bibliography at the end. But thanks to these citation tools that help us in managing these tedious tasks in the click of a button. So today, I'll be telling you how you can add your citations to your manuscripts automatically through the help of Mendeley. So without any further ado, let's quickly jump back to this easy tutorial. And I hope you'll enjoy it. But before you do, make sure you subscribe to my channel.
Alright, so before we begin, make sure you have Mendeley software downloaded into your systems. For that, just type on Mendeley Desktop Download into Google and click on the first link that appears, which would be mendeley.com, their original website. Just download the software from this website and install it into your systems. Now, two things you have to keep in mind. First, you need to have a Word plugin installed, and second, you need to have a Chrome extension for Mendeley installed. So, for Word plugin, if you go to references, you will see this Mendeley Cytometric appearing, which means that Word plugin for Mendeley has been installed. For Chrome, if you click on extensions, you will see that Mendeley Web Importer is appearing here. So you need to have these two things in your systems ready. Once you have installed the software, just double click on it, open the software and create a folder. I'm just typing demo. I'll create this folder and then add your citations. So you need to have all your references, all your papers downloaded into one particular folder that you want to insert. I have it here. I'll control A and I'll add all my citations into this demo folder. If you see, it's importing. So you need to have all the PDFs downloaded and added to Mendeley Desktop. So what I generally do is, I write my entire manuscript. I add the last name of first author into brackets and I highlight it wherein I want to add those authors or want to add those citations. So I follow a similar approach to all my manuscripts. I make sure to do referencing at the end once I finalize the entire manuscript, once I finalize the journal that I want to submit to, and I have also read through all the requirements that the journal needs in terms of how many references are required, what is the citation style that they need, and every other thing. Now, to insert your in-text citations, you need to click on the place where you want to insert your citation. Just click on References, click on Insert Citation, then go to Mendeley and find your manuscript, which was like this author name Zhu. So I'll click here, Cite. And if you see, number 1 citation has been added. I'll just delete the one that I have already added. Now I'll follow the similar approach for all others. Now, in the cases where you want to insert 2 references, what you can do is just click on Insert Citation, go to Mendeley, and I want to add here Lee, then press Ctrl and select your other reference, which was Shukla. Okay. So if you see on the side, like 2 documents selected, now click on Cite and it will insert 2 documents like 3, 6. For adding citation to your website, you need to just copy this website, paste it in Google Chrome, and click on the extension for Mendeley. So if you are signing in or using the Mendeley extension for the first time, it will take some time to process. It will ask you to sign in. So just add in your login credentials, add in your email ID, your password, and it will log in. Once you have signed in, this window will appear. Select in the folder that you want to place your citation in. So I've selected my demo folder. Then click on add and just sync it. So it's syncing. The contents are synced in. You can see the website link appearing here in your demo folder. So follow the similar process. Click on insert citation, go to Mendeley, and just swipe this website and delete the rest. Another crucial thing that you can do with Mendeley is choose your citation style as per your journal. For example, if you want to submit it to Nature, then you can choose Nature. Just click on the citation, go to style, and here I've selected American Medical Association. There are other journals as well, Vancouver even, and if you click on more styles, it will show you all the styles that have already been installed. If your targeted journal or if your citation style is not available in any of these, then you can click on get more styles. Search for the journal. For example, if you want to submit it in Nature. So I'll just click on it and Nature. I'll click on use the style. Done. Yeah, if you see, the style has changed to Nature. And now the citations are styled as per Nature. If you want to select Vancouver, you can do that and see, it's all in Vancouver now. The formatting has changed from superscripts, it has turned into brackets and the numbering. Now what you can do is just type on references and click on insert bibliography, and your bibliography would be inserted. I think I have typed it twice, so I can just delete one. Yeah, see, your bibliography is inserted, even your link to the website as per Vancouver format. If you want to change the style, just click on Nature, and then references are changed as well as the in-text citation is changed. So that's where Mendeley comes in handy. It's a very, very, very good software to use. And I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you found the tutorial helpful, and I'll see you in my another video. Till then, make sure to subscribe to my channel and share this video to your fellow scholars. Bye bye and take care.